Our top story first. Now, during this time of the year, it's very common to see a lot of people fall ill. Excessive humidity leads to excessive bacteria growth. And what we eat and drink, if it's not right, if it's put into our body, it affects the gut adversely. The gut, in fact, is the first to be affected. That's why many people face digestive problems, gastrointestinal problems during this time. Stomach infections is what we refer to them. Now, this report is going to give you an idea about the right kind of monsoon diet to ensure that all of these infections are kept at bay.
What do you associate with the rains and monsoons? Romance, bhajia, chai pakora, jalebis, and lots of time to smell the wet earth. Even we do. But unfortunately, rains also start the problems of gut infections, loose motions, and gastrointestinal disease.
Because of the moisture, because of the increased temperature, this is an ideal environment for the bacteria, for the viruses to grow. And that is why this is the time that the infections are more common. Besides that, water stagnation is also more common. So with flooding also, which occurs during monsoon time, this leads to more infection.
So why are these infections so common during the monsoon season? Seasonal changes can affect gut health. Factors such as increased humidity, contaminated water and food, and weakened immunity can impact the gut. Eating out can be particularly risky.
See, eating out has become part of our day-to-day lives. Now, with caution means there are more chances of getting infection when you eat outside. The chances of infection from eating outside is much more than eating at home. So that's why you have to take caution that you should eat at a place where you feel that the food is hygienic, food is properly cooked and properly stored, and the chances of infection are less.
So what is gut health? Gut health refers to the overall well-being and optimal functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, which includes the stomach, small intestine and large intestine. It involves the balance of beneficial bacteria known as the gut microbiota and the integrity of the gut lining. Why is maintaining gut health important?
One of the most important things to take care of your gut is the quality of food, kind of food, the type of food, and how hygienic is the food you are eating. I think that is one of the most important things for gut health.
Increased humidity and moisture create a favorable environment for the growth of bacteria, viruses and fungi, which can lead to gastrointestinal infections. Heavy rainfall is increasing the risk of water contamination.
We are getting so many messages from different areas that people are getting contaminated and dirty water in the areas, and that's why they are getting ill.
Due to current situations in Delhi, due to these floods and all, the water treatment plants were shut down. And here at Ramnagar, we are facing contaminated water problems. With these problems, our children are getting ill and many people are hospitalized.
The rains have always reminded us of garam pakoras, chai and jalebi, but these are not healthy, far from it. The immune system may be slightly compromised during the monsoon, making you more susceptible to infections and digestive ailments. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today. India Today. India Today.